I got both of these. I'm gonna stay recording.
Okay. What I'm finna do is I might do this.
You wanna mark both of you wanna mark those brackets?
Oh, brackets. Oh, how they going back in there?
Put a green on the bracket and then put green on the side that it's at. Then the red, then the other one be red, and the other one be black. Take something like rub off.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to put all the screws back.
Yeah, that'll help. There's a black one over there. I don't know what happened. There it is, right there by your flashlight.
Oh. I wonder can I lubricate it? Anything could be possible, right? You think the motor done?
It sounds like it to me, because even when you get it going, it don't. The RPM isn't what it should be.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right about that. And he told you just go ahead and replace that?
It was some kind of condenser thing.
No, he didn't say the condenser. He said that.
If you could color the whole bracket you want to.
No, I'm doing that to know what hole to set it in. You remember he said?
Oh, but it has to be put in there right. Oh, it has like 3 holes in that little bracket part?
Mm-hmm. So you got to know it. I know it goes in the middle, but I'm just trying to. Yeah, because it should have picked up speed, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Because even when you do that, everything turns on, so it can't be the control board.
Mm-hmm. Everything turns on. So it has to be the motor. The motor done, it just has a little kick in it. Thank you, sir. Must be something else that comes to loose.
You think on the other side?
Mm-hmm. I'll have to see. Yeah.
Probably does.
Yeah, probably a screw in it. Probably a
And then he say loosen up something on that cylinder looking thing.
Yeah.
Because one side is flat and
And that's.
And he said take a piece of something and make sure that you scrub off the rust.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see here. It might be on the other side.
Okay, what if you stand it up with a opening it towards you? No, not that way.
Sure.
Take it toward that blue thing.
Toward this one? Oh, you talking about standing it up?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Okay. I hope we remember, boy.
Because that go the part of the motor that's feeding into it to turn the turbine.
Uh-huh. Let's see here. Let's see how big is it. Look like it's small anyway. And always keep some gloves. But these little blades, they are sharp. You know what? I'm gonna go through all that.
You gonna get out?
I know what to do.
Well, I got belly band on the new motor. The bracket was very, very crucial.
It was like that. Okay, now go ahead and take it out.
Out in the bottom of the stroke because your motor will hit the inside.
Go ahead and take it out. We're going to make sure it faces the right way.
And then you tighten your band back up. And then put it back into.
That's the way you're going to put it in there anyway.
Alright.
So.
And then you want to make sure your wires are directional.
Well, you wanna try the motor first, and then if we have to buy one of those, buy it.
Yeah.
Then it's just simply a matter of you can cut the wires or wire item, or if you get the exact replacement motor, you can just
you don't need to replace it.
Cable wire back up to the board and plug it in. And next
Cause if I gotta replace that piece, it could just be unscrewed and just snap back in.
Okay.
But I'm making a lot of sense when I'm doing it, right?
Yeah.
Putting stuff back. This is the fun part. They were making sure you didn't mess with that stuff. But it goes in like this, and that's what a switch is.
It's the door.
Out front. Yeah, it sets out front. Man. That's the part. That's the part I don't want to mess with. It's the back. They look like they probably running the same way, boy.
Oh, where's the motor at?
Right here.
Oh.
That's the motor. But try to remember those wires. It's going to be something else.
So I say unplug whatever's hooking up to the motor, and then you know what? I got some colored tape, different colored tape tabs that could be put on there.
Okay. Right. Can you see it? Really can't see it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
You sure?
That they're color coded.
Okay.
Orange to orange and pink to pink.
Okay. Now this is out of the way.
Okay, so lift that and bring it out the way.
And you see it light.
Over there. Okay, turn your flashlight off.
Yeah, I'm going to turn it off. Overlooking. Okay.
Okay, now I got a yellow.
Give me something else. Cause you planning on taking this with you?
Probably so, just in case.
So just leave this on.
Okay, here's a yellow piece.
Got good lighting?
Okay, it's recording.
So make sure when you get that motor that it has the same color wires that you're taking off. If it comes with that way, then we got to find out. Then you take the tape that you got on him and put on those wires. You get what I'm saying? Let's say that this is no longer red and it's brown. You take that color code off there and put it on him, then I know how to plug it back into him. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if something coming in a different color, you tell him, wait, let me look at the color of the wires so I know how to match them back up to my system. Because of, you know, they alter stuff. And because of new stuff, what they call it,
aftermarket things.
Yeah, we got to make sure if he don't have the right thing, then do not give him this motor at all, okay? Don't let him, we got to make sure. And most likely he going to test it. They probably test it first. Because they make sure they test it to make sure it's getting its capacity. Yeah, they've tested. Because remember they told me about that washing machine. They said ain't nothing wrong with the knob on that washing machine. You remember we were trying to fix something on that dryer or something when we thought it was something that had burnt out. And he said, no, there ain't nothing wrong with the control. Because, you know, it was on a timer. And I took it out. And he said, wait before you buy it. He took it and stuck it in there. He said, no, ain't nothing wrong with it.
I know we went up there for something. I can't remember exactly what it was.
It's something on that dryer. The one that Whirlpool dryer. Okay. So you ready? Okay. Now, it's pink here. So I probably can put a pink on this.
Or you see those pink markers and.
I want to make sure. I want to make sure you can see it. Can you see that?
I'm going to give you one with some tape. There you go.
I want to wrap these up. I want to make sure. So what I'm going to do, I can remove it. And wrap it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go. What side is it sticking on? Is it sticking on the pink side, what I'm finna wrap up.
Yeah, that's good enough right there. You need a piece, if you want a piece of another piece of paper, I can give it to you.
Okay. What I'm doing now is I'm making sure that this is pink. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
You want me to put a pink piece of tape? I would. Let's see. That's pink.
And that's probably another piece of wire.
That's a white piece. That's the white I'm taking out.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a blue.
Trying to get anything that's closer to it.
You got a blue mark and a blue piece of tape.
Okay. Let's find out where that blue is at.
You haven't taken it loose yet, right?
Blue must be. No, I see a blue. Blue sets in the back. Dark blue marker.
Okay.
A blue marker. So what I'm finna do is move the blue and hit it now.
Here.
I wonder can I get to it? Can you see that? Got a good camera behind you? Okay. So it's blue.
This one's for the wire. We'll put this one on the board.
So what I'm gonna do now is pull the blue through.
This for the wire.
Okay.
Okay, this is for the body. You're just gonna have to lay it down.
Well, I can actually see it. What I can do is do it like this.
It ain't got to be stuck to the piece, but just
put it where it can be.
Lay it coming across the black part. Because that's going to move.
It's going to move, right?
Lay it like this.
I'm going to lay it here?
Let me see that. Let's toss that one. Here's another one. Take this piece. Take it straight down there, then just lay it.
Okay. Okay, so
take it straight down.
This way?
Get where the sticky part at.
Right here.
Okay, stick that straight down.
Straight across like this?
Look. Go straight down, then lay it on the black.
Okay.
Straight down, then just lay it on the black. Coming towards you. Yeah, like that.
Next one. Okay, that's blue. What other color we got? We got the red.
Got a red one? Okay.
You could either do red.
I could do orange as close as I could get to that. Okay, I'm gonna give you one to wrap around the cord.
It's some red.
There you go. Wrap that around the cord.
Red.
I don't know if I have a red down there.
No, you don't have a red. What about a red marker?
Mm-hmm.
So we could do.
That's orange that I gave you, right?
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna use this red marker.
Okay, we're going to do this in the same way. I'll take this, stick it down in there.
I could do this. I could lay that here.
Okay.
I could lay those there. You see what I'm saying? And that way, I can lay those on the base of the unit. Okay, so that would be red here.
Red 2, that's the one we took a loose second.
So that's in the middle. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So that's right there. See, the rest of them can go there.
Okay, what's the next one?
Black. Got anything black?
What do you do with that blue marker? I got it on top over here. Yeah, I got a black marker.
So that's black.
Give you green, black 3. There you go.
So with that black.
Here's a black marker.
A black marker.
And here's the label. Yeah, that's black. That's what I just wrote this with.
Black.
And by us marking on those conductors like that, is that going to be a problem?
Because
Okay.
it just
That's for the wire.
no. You know, I do that on cars all the time. You know that? The wire. Oh yeah, you have to do what you have to do. Yeah. Only thing you have to worry about when it comes to conductors, long it ain't, you won't spray it down and it's wet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's for the body. Black number 3.
I'm gonna hook everything back up in this position, so when I get the motor, the screws will be where they need to go, and that way I just won't shove nothing up in there. Okay, now we're looking for a yellow.
There go your wire.
So I'll do this. That's yellow. I'm gonna put this down here.
That one was for because I left the tip out more.
Okay. And you said I had to look at it first. See.
It is for the body.
Okay. see how many more wires. Okay, that's it.
All of them are off?
There you go. Now, I'm going to take this bracket off because this belongs to us. Gotta get that off.
Oh, you could leave that on because they ain't getting the motor.
No, they ain't getting no.
You know what I'm saying? They just want to match it up.
They going to ask you for this motor, ain't they? They didn't say trade in? Okay. Okay.
Turn it around, hold the wires up.
Okay. We're gonna do this. Ready?
See, they got all the specs on now. Oh, we did pretty good. All that office stuff came in handy.
Okay. So, do you want me to match these or they can put it on the new one? You know, it's up to you. It don't look like it's a wrong way to do it.
I say just leave it alone for the simple reason that, like you said, this thing just has not been used.
Oh, GE. Hell, that's the reason it stopped working. GE ain't what it used to be. So now, what I'm gonna do now is put it.
Sure, check and see them if we got a recall.
You can. Let's see now. What I'm gonna do is put this screw back up here. See.
Yep. Keep that traveling office with ya.
Oh, yeah.
I got a small box.
You do?
Kind of a small box.
I told you one thing about me and you. We are screwed up. That's no doubt about it.
We are not screwed up. Oh, so I can stop taping now.
Yeah.